How a good deal does a custody legal professional value in 𝐘𝐨? It's essential to take note in law, time is money. That said, in California, experienced attorneys cost $300 minus $500 per hour. A simple, amicable divorce fees round $6,000. Can you get a courtroom-appointed lawyer for baby custody in Ohio? In any infant custody case, Ohio regulation allows the choose to appoint a guardian ad litem, or GAL. The GAL is generally an attorney who is tasked with searching out for the kid's high-quality interest. Understanding the characteristic of the GAL helps mother and father understand extra about the court docket method for toddler custody. Why you want a baby custody lawyer. However, many infant custody agreements in the end want to be modified in some way. A toddler custody legal professional will be in a position to make these adjustments correctly, except inflicting a violation of terms. Child custody legal professionals manipulate all the required forms and documentation. How do I get full custody? Getting full custody. Consider the high-quality hobbies of your child. Find a lawyer you can believe. Understand your state's legal guidelines and guidelines. Establish why your baby will be safer with you. Fill out the right varieties and supply the fantastic documents. What do child custody lawyers do? Child custody instances can be contentious conditions that contain a lot of feelings between all events in the case. The prison method of resolving baby custody instances can be difficult and complex, regularly leaving dad and mom feeling frustrated, frightened, and stressed. Having an infant custody attorney on your aspect will no longer solely assist ease the stress of courtroom proceedings. However, it can make a huge distinction in acquiring a perfect effect of the case. Child custody attorneys are in a position to negotiate with the opposing birthday party barring involving emotion. This is an essential point due to the fact having an impartial consultant negotiate and suggest for you while staying level-headed is a treasured attribute for a profitable agreement. Former spouses, partners, or household contributors that have had tricky relationships frequently create an even extra difficult state of affairs when they don't rent a certified prison professional to help them in their case. Experienced attorneys are additionally accustomed to managing closing dates and all bureaucracy related with infant custody cases. Missing an essential court docket appearance, or now not submitting bureaucracy in time can reason serious issues for an individual. And having a legal professional manage the important points offers a piece of idea that is vital when coping with baby custody. Another key thing in the job description of what infant custody attorneys do is that they characterize their customers in court. Most humans are unaware of the legal guidelines pertaining to their baby custody case. However, a skilled legal professional is aware of and will combat for a lifelike result for their client. Because thoughts can run excessive in custody cases, it is essential to have an attorney who will suggest for your satisfactory pursuits whilst last calm and composed in the front of the choose or a mediator. Child custody attorneys additionally have the skill set and right to assist mother and father adjust their baby custody agreements. Now extra than ever, custody problems are being resolved via the use of parenting agreements that are made binding via the court. Life happens, and every now and then these agreements want to be modified in order to accommodate altering schedules, domestic locations, or different troubles that may also existing whilst the infant is a minor. A skilled legal professional can aid a purchaser with making an amendment to the custody agreement, which will additionally make certain that the man or woman does no longer violate any stipulations of the agreement. Other complicated problems that infant custody attorneys deal with are felony conditions that contain global or interstate custody disputes. When dad and mom stay in distinctive states or countries, a total new host of legal guidelines come into play, and having an attorney who can navigate the ins and outs of the felony machine is invaluable. Additionally, infant custody attorneys can assist customers negotiate sensible infant assist rates. Like parenting agreements, it is on occasion gorgeous to regulate the quantity of month-to-month baby assist payments, and a toddler custody legal professional can help in making this possible. In order to reap the fantastic feasible consequence for your situation, it is a suitable thinking to think about hiring a toddler custody lawyer. In conditions the place each events are at the beginning cooperative with one another, it is now not exotic for problems to come up that create a rift or animosity. Having a legal professional manage the legalities of court docket proceedings, as properly as representing you in mediation or in courtroom is additionally very helpful. If your case is complicated, crosses jurisdictions, or if your ex is trying to restriction your contact with your child, your attorney can combat for the kind of custody settlement that you are seeking. Additionally, if the courtroom is requiring you to take lessons or take part in treatment, you are already at a disadvantage, and a baby custody attorney can assist you navigate the courtroom system whilst conserving onto your parental rights. In instances that the person's ex has employed an attorney, it is essential for the character to be pretty represented.